What's up guys, it's Nico here, and in today's video, you saw the title, I'm going to be talking about how I made $70,000 in a month using chatbots. Okay, so these are using Facebook Messenger chatbots. A lot of you guys have probably heard of them at least, but for those of you who have not, they're a pretty new thing in the online marketing and digital marketing space. So I'm going to show you, that's kind of the thing that I'm focusing on right now. And I'm going to show you how I was able to use Facebook chatbots to generate my highest month ever. I'm going to break it down a little bit so that you guys understand how it all works and why they're so effective. So before we get into that, make sure to give the video a like if you enjoy this video, if you get any value out of it. And be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notifications so that you can know every time that I upload new content like this. So I'm going to show you guys two different slides about how this could work for you. But I want to show you guys basically the overview of the business model here. So we've got the business owner right here. What Facebook Messenger chatbots do is they basically allow a business owner or a person to bring in more leads, bring in more customers to their business, bring in more sales for their business, and also send out updates to their current customer base and their current, we'll call it a chatbot or messenger list. We'll call it a messenger list. So if you're in the entrepreneurship niche or you have your own business or something like that, you probably are aware of email marketing, this concept of email marketing, which is basically a way to bring new customers in by collecting their email address and giving them something valuable in exchange. And you also probably know that sending out emails to your current email list is a great way to keep people updated of what's going on in your business, whether you have a new product launch, whether you have new sales, or just general updates too. Facebook Messenger bots are similar in what they actually do, but the thing about chatbots is they're so new that hardly anyone's using them. And the people who are using them are getting open rates close to like 90, sometimes even 100% open rate on the messages that they send out, which if you compare that to email is completely incredible. Like you will never see a 100% open rate for email. I can literally guarantee it, unless you have one person on your email list and they open it. So literally, it's completely insane what you're able to achieve with messenger chatbots. So you're basically getting typically 80 to 100% open rates and something like 40 to 60% click-through rates. And so if you compare that to like a roughly 2 to 3% click-through rate with email, you're literally getting like more than 10 times the click-through. So you're getting more than 10 times the people to actually go and look at whatever it is that you're sending out, whether it's a product, whether it's a new video, whether it's a blog post, whatever it is, you're getting just about 10 times as many people to go view whatever it is that you want them to go view. So how this business model works, if you are going to become a chatbot builder or a chatbot consultant, is you basically just need to realize, ask yourself honestly, okay, what does every business owner out there want? Okay, well, what every business owner wants is they want more customers for their business, right? So literally every business owner ever, they will not turn down new customers, right? Like they want as many customers as they can have because that means more sales and more money for their business. So here's how simple it really is. So basically we show a business owner, a prospective new client of ours, we show them how they can use chatbots to send messages and make more sales for their business. That's it. It's super, super basic. So if you can effectively show a business owner how they can use a chatbot in their business to send more messages, to send messages to people and to make more sales for their business, then it's going to be a no-brainer, right? Because that's what every business owner wants. All right, so I want to show you guys kind of what the game changer was for me. Okay, so these are slides from a presentation I did a little bit ago. But the game changer for me was that I had an existing subscriber base, I had an existing audience. So I provided both services and products. So what I realized is that I could actually sell my own products and services using chatbots. All right, and so the first time that I ever did it, it was literally the easiest $500 I ever made. I had a product that was $500. Literally just send a message and make sales. It's really that simple. It's kind of like email marketing if you've ever done that. So that's just a quick overview of the business model. And now I kind of want to show you guys the breakdown of how I was able to do this. So 70K per month with chatbots. So how I did this was, as I said, I have a couple different offers. The first one was info products, courses. So a lot of you guys who are in the entrepreneurship niche, you probably are familiar with what an online course is like. Courses are kind of one of my favorite ways to make more money in my business because they're so scalable, right? Like you create it one time and you can sell it again and again. And it's a super easy way for you to make an impact on their life or make an impact on their business as they're going through the course on their own time without you having to do any more work. So it's really a win-win. And as you can see, I made quite a lot of sales of that course in about 1 month. So that was kind of the biggest source of revenue there. The next thing that I did was I had a high ticket offer. I still kind of have the high ticket offer. I'm not sure. I'm probably going to be focusing more on the other two moving forward. But at that time, I had this high ticket offer, which was $5,000. So that was basically, I was going to build out a pretty complex chatbot for certain specific businesses. And so that month I had 4 clients for that, and that was $5,000. And then finally, coaching. So I also offer coaching like for a year-long package. It's $25,000. This is typically like business and marketing coaching to people who, have a somewhat successful business already, or they have a very successful business already, but they're pretty new to the digital marketing, pretty new to the online marketing space. So as you can see, it's not cheap. It's a significant investment, and so that's why. And so I was able to sell one of those in that month as well. And so as you guys can see, $35K in courses, $20K in high ticket, and $25K. This was probably around. It wasn't exactly 35,000 like to the dot, but it was right around 35,000. And then these two were exact numbers. So it added up to about 70,000, all using Facebook Messenger chatbots. Now I want to address this question that probably a lot of you guys are wondering. Okay, well that's really cool, like great for you, but could I do this? Like I'm speaking to you who's watching this. Like could you actually do this? Well, the reality is it just depends on your current business situation. So if you have a big following already, there's no reason why you can't have big success with chatbots. But if you're just starting out, if you don't even have a business right now, then obviously it's going to take some work. It's going to take a lot of effort. It's going to take some time to go out and create these sort of results for yourself. So is it possible? Absolutely. But is it realistic? Well, it just depends on your situation. It depends on your current situation. All right. So that's the truth. I don't want to give you guys I don't want to blow this out of proportion and say, oh yeah, like if you start using chatbots, like you're going to make $70,000 tomorrow too. But it's certainly possible depending on what stage of business you're at. So this was just a quick overview to show you guys kind of what's possible with Facebook Messenger chatbots and why you need to get on board with them like literally right now. Okay. So whether you're a brand new entrepreneur, like this is a really hot niche right now to focus on, to start selling this sort of a service for other businesses and helping other businesses get more customers. Super easy. And if you're an entrepreneur right now who has an existing business, like you need to get on board with chatbots today. You're missing out on really insane click-through rates and just a ton more sales that you could be getting with using chatbots. So I've actually put together a more in-depth training, a much more in-depth training where you can see a lot more into how to actually create these chatbots, how to sell them, where to find clients, and how to implement them into your business. Okay, so I put that link in the description below. So go ahead, click that if you like what you saw here and you want to get a lot more information, a lot more in-depth in this whole process and how it could work for you. Go ahead, click that link below. And depending on where you're at in your business and the level of action you take, it could easily be a game changer for you too. All right, so I hope you guys got a lot of value out of this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps every single one of those. I appreciate every single one of you who watches this video and who likes it. And please also make sure that you subscribe to my channel below and click the bell so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. All right, thanks guys, and leave a comment below if this is something that interests you, if you have any more questions about this, and I'll do my best to get back to each and every one of you. All right, thanks and see you guys next time.